Today this is part 2 of LPS construction site. This is part 2, so hope you like it. And just to let you guys know, you're not going to see me at the end of the video, so shout outs go to Christine Banks, All About Meep, and 7 Awesome Kids. If you want to shout out next week, comment down below what is your favorite sweet. Let's get started. Okay, well, now that we have the cafe built, I think it's time to move on to tables. Yeah, we should definitely move on to tables. Anyways, oh, I forgot. I have a whole bag of stuff. What kind of stuff in it? I'll show you. So first, I have this kitty chair for kids. Isn't that pretty big? Yeah, well, we need it. And then this one for girls. Some cereal and cake, corn, cupcake holder. Why would we need a cupcake holder? I don't know. Maybe they want cupcakes. Chandelier, carrot, juice, cherry soup, oatmeal, juice, donuts, ice cream, cereal, cookies, milk, lollipops, ice, cookies, strawberry bone, corn, cake, milk, more milk, carrots, apples, and acorn. Melanie, this is going to be so hard to move into the cafe. Anyways, guys, hope you like it. Bye!